When it comes to increasing the appeal of your home, both inside and out, few improvements can make as dramatic a difference as replacing your windows and doors. In Knoxville, where the climate can be hot and humid in the summer and chilly in the winter, energy efficiency is just as important as aesthetics. EcoView Windows and Doors of Knoxville offers a perfect solution for homeowners looking to improve their curb appeal while enhancing their home's energy efficiency. With high-quality, modern designs and energy-efficient features, EcoView can transform your home into a more stylish, comfortable, and valuable property. Here's how EcoView Windows and Doors can boost your home's curb appeal and provide lasting benefits for your Knoxville home. Modern, sleek designs for every home. One of the most noticeable changes you'll experience with EcoView Windows and Doors is their modern, sleek design. Whether you live in a traditional Knoxville home or a contemporary townhouse, EcoView offers a variety of styles that can elevate the overall appearance of your property. Their windows and doors are designed with clean lines and high-quality materials, which instantly add a polished look to any home. Picture windows. If your home features beautiful outdoor views, EcoView's picture windows provide an unobstructed view while allowing natural light to flood your living spaces. The large glass panes give your home a modern, airy feel while seamlessly connecting your indoor and outdoor environments. Casement windows. EcoView's casement windows open outward with a sleek, easy-to-operate crank system, offering a contemporary look and optimal ventilation. These windows also provide an airtight seal when closed, improving your home's energy efficiency. Sliding windows and doors. Ideal for homes with limited space, EcoView's sliding windows and patio doors offer functionality and style. With their smooth operation and large glass panels, these windows create an elegant look while allowing for easy access to outdoor spaces. No matter the architectural style of your home, EcoView offers customizable options that will complement the exterior design and add instant curb appeal. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. While aesthetics are important, energy efficiency is a crucial factor when it comes to modernizing your home. EcoView windows and doors are designed with energy-efficient features that help regulate the temperature inside your home. In Knoxville, where temperatures can range widely, energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly reduce the workload of your HVAC system, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Dual or triple pane glass. EcoView uses dual or triple pane glass, which provides superior insulation compared to single pane windows. These layers of glass trap air, preventing heat from escaping in the winter and blocking the sun's heat during the summer. This insulation keeps your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Low-E glass. EcoView incorporates low-E, low emissivity, glass in their windows, which helps reflect heat back into your home during colder months while blocking heat from entering during hot weather. This feature significantly reduces the energy required to cool or heat your home. Energy Star certified. Many of EcoView's products are Energy Star certified, meaning they meet rigorous energy efficiency standards. These windows and doors are not only better for your wallet but also more environmentally friendly, helping you reduce your carbon footprint. Increased home value. when you invest in EcoView Windows and Doors of Knoxville, you're also making an investment in your home's long-term value. Curb appeal plays a key role in how potential buyers perceive your home, and updated, modern windows and doors can make your property stand out in the competitive Knoxville real estate market. Energy-efficient features are particularly attractive to homebuyers, as they promise long-term savings on energy bills and a more comfortable living experience. By installing EcoView products, you're enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home while making it more appealing to future buyers. As an added benefit, the durability of EcoView products means that potential buyers won't have to worry about window or door replacement for years to come, which can increase the overall desirability of your home. Durable and low-maintenance EcoView windows and doors are built to last, with durable materials that require minimal upkeep. Many window and door manufacturers use wood or metal that can warp, rot, or fade over time, requiring constant maintenance. EcoView uses vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials, which are resistant to weather damage and require little more than periodic cleaning. These low-maintenance materials also retain their appearance for longer, meaning your windows and doors will continue to enhance your home's curb appeal for years to come without the need for repainting or repairs. With EcoView, you can enjoy beautiful, functional windows and doors that stand the test of time. A range of customizable options. One of the standout features of EcoView windows and doors is the ability to customize the look of your new windows and doors. From the type of glass to the finish of the frames, EcoView allows you to tailor their products to suit your personal preferences and your home's style. Whether you prefer a classic white frame, a bold black finish, or a wood-like texture, EcoView offers a wide range of design options to fit your needs. The ability to customize your windows and doors ensures that they not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also reflect your personal style and taste. Improved security. In addition to enhancing curb appeal, EcoView windows and doors are designed with security in mind. Many of their window and door models come equipped with multi-point locking systems, tamper-resistant glass, and sturdy frames that improve the security of your home. This added layer of protection helps keep your family and belongings safe while also adding value to your home. Conclusion. EcoView windows and doors of Knoxville offer a perfect combination of style, energy efficiency, and durability to help enhance your home's curb appeal. With modern, customizable designs, energy-efficient features, and long-lasting materials, EcoView products can elevate your home's exterior while improving comfort and reducing energy costs. Whether you're looking to increase your home's market value, create a more attractive living space, or enjoy a more energy-efficient home, EcoView windows and doors are a smart choice for Knoxville homeowners.